What's up? How's it going, everyone? Can you guys hear me all right? Slava, how's it going? Silver, how you guys doing? Jat B. Update XYO, as I forgot to take profits and regretting it. Life as it is, how's it going? When is alt season? Big Top, Nick, how's it going? What's up, No YB? Here's some really interesting new base projects with low market caps. Peg, Lil B, and Elliot. What's up, Hamid? What's up, Flip Coins? How's everyone doing? You guys hear me okay? Let's see here. How's everyone over on X and Rumble? How you guys doing? Yeah, we're going to push through 100K. Oh, damn, we're going to 0. Wow. 1 minute candle. We're bearish. This thing's been grinding. Waiting to see how many people we get in here. Bitcoin's pushing up to 100K potentially. We're going to get 100 people in here today. What's up, GE? How's it going? Yeah, we looked at Peg. I don't know what Lil B and Elliot are. New base coins, he says. Big Top says Moonwell. Yeah, what is Moonwell doing? Moonwell. Is she still holding up? Oh, surprisingly she is. Looks good here. It's holding on for dear life on that 618, or the 236 rather, at 63764. Still holding over the 618 here. The new chart here, by the way. Yeah, Moonwell's trying to hold. What's up, Anthony? Michi? How about Kango? Never heard of it. What is that on? Yeah, we'll have to go look at the gamble coins in a minute, I guess. But yeah, let's see here. Yeah, Moonwell looks good here. I'm surprised it held up. Yeah, you're gonna have to tell me what Kanga is. No YB sent you Cash App. Did you really? So I have to look at these coins. Peg, Lil B, and Elliot. Let me put that up on the screen. Yeah, Peg we've been looking at. Hold on, I gotta open up Deck Screener first. But hopefully all you guys and gals out there are doing good. Hold on, I'm trying to get this pulled up. Hopefully we won't have no problems with the internet today. All right, let's see if we can get this pulled up. Damn, that's not what I want to do. All right, Deck Screener on the screen. Yeah, I appreciate the Cash App, no YB. I got it. appreciate that a lot. Peg. Yeah, there's a lot of good base coins, a lot of good base plays. Peg. Base is going to have some good coins and good runs this cycle. Oh yeah, did we leave this here last night so you could spawn in a giant green candle? It's spawning in right now as we look. Not looking bad. She's bullish here. Yeah, she moved up. Next stop is another 13% to 227 or 227. That is at the 2272 area. Potentially, it could blow right past that. But it's above 186. That's your support. There's no wick on that candle. It looks bullish right now. It looks good. What was the other one? Lil B and Elliot. Lil B. Lil Brett. I'd imagine this is what you're talking about. Damn, all your stuff's going to the moon. Let's see what this thing hits. I know it's kind of small, but Lil B. Yeah, she's sitting perfectly over the support here. Got right over the 2272 at 156, and it's just sitting right on it. Nice looking wick here, so it's probably going to continue to move here. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. But yeah, this one here, we'll leave with a thing to spawn in to the high. 71, 72% move. Green candle's going to spawn in for tomorrow. And then Elliot. What is Elliot? Elliot, I'd imagine, yeah, it's got to be this one. Damn, these things are all running. Elliot, let's see, 300K market cap. Yeah, this one just broke over the 1618. So as long as you're over 244, yet again, we'll work our magic and spawn you in a candle. 170% coming up. Looks good over there. I appreciate the Cash App. What's up, No Whack? FEB8. Yeah, was that the right one? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that one looks good. She's moving. What's up, Nick? What is DGen's next spot? Shipping is pulling back. I guess we're switching back over, huh? Yeah, no, I didn't. I think I thought I did a DGen update today. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Yeah, I did. There's an update on DGen on the channel. But we'll skim over it real quick like we did with Well. Well's holding up. The Well's looking good. DGen. Oh yeah, DGen's looking not so bad here. It pulled up off of the support it was sitting on. But yeah, there's a full update on the channel here. It looks good as long as you're over 17. Price to beat. You need to get a 3-day. I think you even need to just get a daily close over 3. Over the 786 here, and we're in good shape. But the overall chart, very good looking here. Higher highs, higher lows. Of course, we know it blew out of the pattern there, but ultimately it's holding up. Yeah, you're right over the 382. So as long as you're over this 18.3 down to 17.8, this general area, which is holding up, it's bullish still. Can it push through 3 is the big question. How's it going, April? She says Velodrome. Think it could hit 0.03 soon. That's the next stop up. As for soon, I have no idea. There's no way to tell. The momentum is clearly still up. You can see the stock RSI still up at the top here. That just tells you momentum is up right now. And it's holding. The only other tiny thing you could probably do is go down to the 6-hour, 4-hour daily chart. It's all the same thing. But you could easily draw here on the 4-hour chart, high to the low. Yeah, it's getting stuck right at the 382 here. So it needs to get over 225, and then it's back to being bullish here. And then once you get over 2.6, then that confirms this downwards move here on the 4 hours over, and it'll move up to 3. But that's really the best you could do. No one has a crystal ball to tell you what's going to happen. Velo for April, I guess. Hey, you guys are coming up with way too much already. We got 40 people in here, not even 15 minutes in. I appreciate that. Everyone hit the like button. If you don't hit the like button, I'll know you didn't do it, and I'll put you in timeout. Still waiting to put someone in timeout. What's up, Elixigo? How you doing? It's good to see all you guys keep coming back to the stream. Must be doing something right here. No, I see you, Hamid. Project 98. I always see your comments because of your black picture here. It's just black. I don't know if there's a face in there or not. Hamid. Yeah, what was I looking at? But yeah, like I said, you guys asked for so much and it's hard to keep up. We'll be here for 24 hours going through everybody's coin. Velodrome. Someone commented on one of the updates, I think. Are you still bullish on Velodrome? Excuse me. Oh, this is what I said was potentially going to happen. Well, I did move it, so it doesn't have to come down to the trend here. If it holds up over the 0.5 and doesn't come all the way back down here, that's the reason we pulled this down on Velo, because it could potentially come down to the 382 and hold at 6.7. But ultimately, this thing's still holding the macro uptrend here. It looks good. It's over the 0.5. Once it gets over the 618 at 11.3, we're good to go. But right now on Velo, it's still down below the 382. So once you get over the 618 here, you're bullish and you're in a good spot at that point. But yeah, it's not really doing anything. It's just bouncing along here. At some point, it'll wake up and have a spike up and start moving up. And when that happens, 1618 at 98, we'll say $1. $833 million market cap on Velo for a 10x. And then if you think it's going to have a moonshot, $4 on Velo, 3.4 billion market cap, and a 41x. But yeah, I think Velodrome's good for a 10x here. Now, if I got a 10x on something, I would probably get out 5 to 10x and just keep rotating into something that hasn't moved. What's up, Michael? Slava, I'm just hanging in your channel. I don't ask anything. I appreciate you being here. Go ban everyone. Oh, excuse me. I still got my cough. When are you going to get into the market? I have no idea, my man. No idea. I'm not going to discuss it, but there's things going on in my personal life that just made things harder. But we're here, grinding away every day. Yeah, what I want to look at, I better look at Hamid before he gets angry. Project 98. What was that? I don't remember if that was on here or on the other thing. You guys got to remind me. Yeah, it's not on here. Must be a gamble coin. Gamblers in the house. You bought more Q&T, really? How many are you up to now? I just need 10 Q&T. 10 quant. So someone be kind and send me 10 quant. I just typed in quant. What the hell? Yeah, we're going. It's not on my thing, so it has to be over here. He says just 20. Oh, damn, that was the wrong screen. He just has 20 Q&T. Let's see here. Oh, back over on deck screener. Yeah, here's Project 98, Janet. Hopefully, Louise. Hopefully, Janet's going to go up for you. Oh, damn, Project 98. It's going to the moon. I know we looked at it last night, didn't we? Damn, did it move up that much since we looked at it? Nice. Another 14% move to resistance at 8.9. But not a bad looking chart. It's bullish as hell right now. I just don't know if that was some of that spawn in magic. It's probably what I should have done with coin I used to hold. Yeah, Janet. Come on, Janet. She's still holding up. Give Louise some hopium here. I'm gonna draw a little uptrend. Damn these buttons. Yep, holding the uptrend. She's going to the moon. Oh yeah, it's moved up a little bit. Hopefully you're still holding. 786 retracement is a 20x. And then a new high on this one. 154x almost. Janet to the moon. Oh, there's Luis. Yeah, Janet and MAO is going to come back from the dead for you. They'll officially be undead. But yeah, Janet, if you haven't seen Janet, Sam says he hasn't heard of Janet. How's it going, Sam? Just go check out their Twitter. You'll get a kick out of it. What's up, Dave? Yeah, I saw you said arc block earlier. Arc block. So what do you think what do you think Project 89 is going to do next? But yeah, Janet's holding up here. Well, Project 98, if it continues to make you money, if it can get through the next resistance at 8.9, next stop is another 60% move from where you are right now to 12.6. And then if it goes higher than that, here, we'll leave this here. We'll spawn you in 167% candle overnight. Let me get this. I guess we got to go back. Done with the gambles for now. Let's see here. Yeah, I saw what you said. When you draw your fibs, they're not the same as mine. You mean all the different levels here? Is that what you're talking about? You have to go play with the settings. But yeah, I'll pull it up in a minute. I'll show you the settings and you could screenshot it or something. But ever since I added all these extra levels, the 1414, the 1272, and all these higher ones, you know, they do come into play. And there's even more you can add. But what do we got here? Someone said arc block. We got Hoshi. How's it going for 2? Can you do Orca and NCT? Orca. Yeah, I just did an update on Polyswarm on the channel, so go watch that later. Orca. Yeah, we looked at Orca not too long ago. This thing's curled up, looks good, got stuck right at the trend again, just like a lot of things. 618 and the trend pretty much came into play here. Or it hasn't quite yet, but you get the idea. Depending on where you want to draw it. Held our support box, it pumped, it's over the 0.5, so once it gets over the 618 at 464, this thing is officially going to move up. It looks like it's moved up since the last time we looked at it. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get a price to watch. That's going to break you over this trend line. Oh yeah, 618, double 618 here. So once you get over the 618, you're good to go. You'll get back above the trend and you'll be over the 618 here. But it's curled up here. It looks good. And Orca to a new high. 1272, $68 potentially, 3.5 billion market cap. Decent 18, a little over an 18x on Orca. But yeah, she's curling up. But yeah, I appreciate the 2. I'll quickly go over Polyswarm. I don't want to get in the habit of people sending $2 and then they're sending 3 or 4 or 5 different coins they want me to look at. And then someone will be like, you looked at his coins for $2? But you get the idea. But yeah, I mean, it's curled up. It looks just like the other one we just looked at. Everything's curling up here. Everything had a spike mostly. This one's the same. Once you get over the 0.5 at 3.3 here, you're going to break the trend here that you're getting stuck at on multiple occasions. And you'll be in a real good spot at that point. But it just simply had a pump, made a higher high. It's pulling back. As long as you're over the 382 at 2 here, this thing is macro bullish. And once you push over the 0.5, you're in real good shape, like I said. on Polyswarm, and Polyswarm is going to be a good play. Once people catch on to Polyswarm, which will be probably when it's pumping to the moon, they're going to be like, what is Polyswarm? They're going to pile in, and it's going to go even higher, and then you guys are going to dump on everyone. So 1272 new high on this one I think is very possible if I can get this to stick. 17.5x up to at 867 million market cap to 46. And then if it goes higher, you know, just congratulations. But that's a good spot I would take profit at, this new high. And then a 29x to a 1.4 billion market cap to 75. But yeah, Polyswarm's a good one. Has all the coins out in circulation, if I remember correctly. Just gotta hold and be patient. Hold and be patient. I know I'm missing something here. Dave says getting hammered. Oh, he wants some arc block while he's hammered. Going back to the chat to see if I missed anything. All right, I don't know. I think I caught up. Jeffrey says BenQ and GST. Yeah, I like green Satoshi token. We got flip coins for 20. I appreciate that. Says chin up, my man. Billy and used car. Did they hold up? I appreciate the support. I appreciate the 20. We're gonna have to go back over here and look at used car. Yeah, I figured when Doge was pumping, I thought used car would start pumping. I mean, I know it's a Solana coin, but Doge is sitting in the seat there, so I figured maybe it would pump. Used car. I don't see Billy. Yeah, used car is still in the same spot. She's coming down. But we went over that last time when you were below the 3.2. There's a chance you're coming down to the 236. So it'll probably come down here and hold and bounce at 734. And then at that point on your hands, if you're going to add more or you're still just holding, it's a 76x to the new high. I really think that's going to happen. Used car is a good play here. If I could get in at this point here when it comes down here, I would. Even $100, 76x on $100. That'd be a real good trade. But yeah, it's still in the same spot. Let's see here. Low to the high. Yeah, I think we looked at this also last time too. It's also the 618 right at the 236. So low to the high, all the way back down to the 618 is what these things usually tend to do, and then it'll bounce. So yeah, that looks exactly like that's where it's going, and I'm pretty sure we went over that before. Just got to have patience on these things. Billy. Yeah, Billy's still holding up over the 382 at 439 here after a slight pullback. Yeah, over the 0.5 and right over the 382. And then if we pull this over to here, I think we did this last time. Yeah, if you pull it to here, low, high, it hit the 618 perfectly. Yeah, this one's in a good spot also. Even though it pulled back like this, it's, you know, it's to be expected. Yeah, and this one to a new high is an 11x on Billy. Is that all you own, is used car and Billy, or do you own any more? But yeah, I appreciate the 20, my man. Yeah, there's too many things being asked for. I'm trying to go back through. Yeah, what did you think of the Twitter? SPL, how's it going? He says, Jazz me. Excuse me. What are we on? Polyswarm. It's just whatever catches my eye when I'm going back through the chat there. Oh yeah, where's AA at? Dogs going to the moon, he says. What are we looking for? Yeah, if Bitcoin breaks over 99K, someone say something. ALGO done left me behind. That's so sad. Dogecoin still looks real good here. Yeah, Jasmine's not looking too bad. Last update I did, I saw this somewhere. I don't remember where. Someone was talking about it. The very large cup and handle pattern here, so that's macro bullish. And then recently it broke the downtrend and it's backtesting it. It's just sitting here backtesting, as simple as that. Jasmine, I would take profit on Jasmine at 30 cents and then let a moonbag ride to $1. But yeah, we got over the 236 at 2 and it's holding for support. Once we get over the 618 at 3, that's going to send the price of Jasmine up to 5. And then once you get over 5, the 382, you are bullish, but it looks good here. A good bullish step in the right direction. So Jasmine here, 618 retracement in a bull market is very likely to get hit. 14 billion market cap and about a 14.5x on your investment to 30. And my target for Jasmine, I really do think Jasmine is going to hit $50. I will not accept anything less. I'm going to get into Jasmine before it gets over the 382 at 5 pennies. And then at that point, it'll be a less multiplier. But right now, that's a 53.5, almost a 54x on Jasmine to $1 here at the 786 retracement, 50 billion market cap. Very few people agree with that. But I say, why not? Why can't the Jasmine Moon Boys get rich? Oh, you can't even see this. Damn. No. That's why I hate switching between these screens. Damn it. Anyway, everything I just said on Jasmine. Jasmine's going to $1. It looks good here. It broke the downtrend. It's sitting on the 236 on the macro and the other one. But yeah, Jasmine's in a good spot here. Very bullish overall, macro and short term. No, not bullish short term, but you get the idea. It just had the breakout and it's holding. Yeah. What are you going to do? Yeah, GST, Green Satoshi Token, is another good one. Just purely chart-wise, it's still way down here. It's still stuck at our resistance level. It's been holding up. It hasn't really ran yet. It had a little pump, but ultimately it's still getting stuck here. So until you break over, what is this? 187, 188. But yeah, GST, yeah, that's the 236. So the bottom is going to be confirmed in once you get over that 188, 189 level. Bullish over 28. Macro, bottom in over 4, and bullish over 12. But the reason we like GST, we're coming up on a bull market. If it only comes up and does a 382 retracement like last time it pumped in March, you could see up to 12 pennies. You're getting a 7x out of GST from where it is right now. And the fact that we're coming in the bull market here, it's probably going to go higher. I don't know how high, but 0.5 at 2.8 is a 17x. 618 retracement to 65 pennies is a damn near 40x. So it's worth a shot. If it stays down here, if I ever get back in the market, I will roll some money over into it. A 786 retracement, 4.4 billion. That would be your absolute moonshot gamble. 217, 130x. But yeah, GST's got a lot of good targets here to watch. If you could roll over 5,000 or 10K into this thing, just let it do a 6x. It's probably going to do that. Or 7x rather. Not bad. I just need something to wait for me. $50x jazz me over what time frame? Over a year. I'm talking about 2025. The bull run. The year of the bull run. Jasmine's going to a 50x. What did I miss? Oh, he says I got Samo, CKB, Snack. Oh, okay. Yeah, you in on GST, Jeffrey? It's got real good targets to take profit. We got Dave for 2 says Arc Block. Give me good news. We got to give Dave some good news on ABT. Arc Block. Arc Block's going to the moon at some point, someday. It's your first good news. It's holding the uptrend here. Not a pretty uptrend, but it's still holding. It's making higher lows. If you don't count all these, but the one thing we can do, you can see you're below the 2272 here. What we had on the chart was this after the little strong move up here, but it's been getting longer and longer as time goes by, of course. It was a bull flag. Now it's a descending channel pattern here. It could still be bullish to push up at some point. Let me zoom in here. But right now, it's still holding up in my eyes. I don't think it's going to pull a LCX and fall off the table here. Hopefully not. Low to the high, you can see it came down and it tagged the 786 here off of this latest drop perfectly. That is that final support level. That's always good to see, and you're back above the 618 at 134. So if that was it, nice looking wick here. It's back above this support level. It just needs to get above the 3-2 at 163. If you can get above 163, if we ignore the pattern here, it's going to break the downtrend here, the short-term downtrend, and you can start moving up at that point. That'll send you back over 181 at the 2272 here. And then other than that, on Arc Block, that's just short-term here. How much gas in the tank does it have left? If you end up holding up here, which I could do one more, I don't know if we did this or not. I feel like I've said a billion words already. All right, so it is high to the low, right below the 236. So it needs to get back over 144 to confirm this is the bottom here. So it has some work to do here. But Arc Block, it's already ran a ton. Can it hit a 3 billion market cap is the question. Hit the top of the fib here at $32 and do another 24x. Or more likely another 10x and hit 13 bucks. That's just a big question I have with these ones that ran since last October. They went to the moon. Now they're pulling back. Same thing LCX did. But it ended up breaking way down. Which I guess I haven't done this in a while. Macro, low to the high. Yeah, you're down below the 236 here, but you are holding structure, so there is a chance that it could come down here and hit 92. I have no idea. The only thing I can go off right now on ABT is the structure here. But if you break those levels and break the downtrend, you're in good shape. And I think that's enough on Arc Block. Uh, Hamid said he's going to sleep. He'll watch the stream tomorrow. Sophia, you'll get back in. Yeah, I know I will. Hey, dogs. He says, Honey Pot, you must be talking to someone else. What's up, Maddie? How you doing? I appreciate the 2, though, Dave. Hopefully that helped a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what I missed. All right, we'll see you later, Hamid. I always say your name wrong, damn it. Yeah, we'll probably end up going over Bonk on base. We always do Ski Mask Dog, Skid, and Base Pepe, all of those. I would like to get in on most of those, especially Skid. Yeah, I think I saw someone say CTX earlier. I don't remember if they did or not, but I can't go back up through the chat. CTX. Since we're over here, before we go over to the gamble side again. But yeah, CTX is still doing nothing. Still dead in the dirt here. This is exactly what we want to see. We said this a while back. It's a good metaphor for the channel, too, for the undead. These things, they died, and now they've just been laying here flat. And at some point, it's going to wake up and start going. Once it digs itself out of the hole here. But yeah, I would imagine that's the 236 CTX here. CTX is going to be a good play. Okay, that's not that. I don't know what that line is. But that's where it's been getting stuck, so. All right. But yeah, CTX here. Yeah, I don't know why that line's there, but that's where the price is getting stuck. So 249 is the price to beat. But other than that, you're over the macro 236 at 2. You have to get back over 374, 375 here. But low market cap, Coinbase. When we're in the thrill of it all, everyone and their mother is going to come into crypto and just pile into everything. CTX here. Sorry, I got distracted for a moment. 129 million market cap to 19 is an 8.5x on this one. I think that's very possible. And then if you think CTX is going to hit near $1 billion market cap, that would be your moonshot, I would say. $139, 933 million, a 61x. I do not think I would hold my bag up to that high. 8.5x is good enough for me. But yeah, whoever asked for that earlier. All right, we'll see you later, Flip Coins. He says when DGen hits 12, I'll send you 50,000 DGen. Eski, I don't know if I'm saying that right. PNG confirmed on X, V3 smart contracts complete, just waiting for the audit to be complete. Yeah, I used to be in that boat. Back in the day when I was in on SHIB and Cardano, you're always waiting on the smart contracts, and then the price is going to go to the moon, waiting on the audits. I remember that. I mean, you can be bullish on that, but I remember that from last time on SHIB and Cardano and a few others. Didn't make a difference. Did nothing. I was dozing, heard you call my name on the TV and woke right back up. Damn. Just falling asleep during the stream. What's happening? Got no whack for 2. ARC, 60 million, market cap ending in ECC2. ARC. All right, we have to go look at ARC. ARC, 60 million market cap, E7C2. All right, yeah, this is it. I appreciate the 2. Oh, okay, it's 12 a.m. I gotcha. Yeah, one of these days when I get settled better, I'll do live streams, probably early in the morning and then later at night, and then that way everyone can catch them. All right, so looking at ARC here, let's get into it real quick. What are we on? Oh, we're on the 4-hour candles. No wonder I can't make sense of anything. Damn, how old is this one? She's going. She's bullish as hell right now. Did you get in on this one? ARC Intelligence AI for Humans. 61 million market cap. Yeah, she just broke above the 618. So she's about to start flying potentially. That officially ends this downward move here, getting over that 618. So she's probably going to hit a new high and do a 4x up to 25.5 pennies. So we'll leave this here and it's going to spawn in a 4x candle for you. Yeah, it's bullish. Okay, you got in earlier. Not bad. She's still bullish and it's over the big resistance level. Next resistance, though, is about a 30% move up to 8.3. But if you get over 8.3, then there's no way she's not going to hit this. Yeah, I appreciate the 2. Nick, even better, I'll do it at 10. Degen to the moon. What's up, Alex? You feel like Avalanche is going to outperform P&G? Well, the one thing you got to take into account is P&G already ran. That's my one thing with like P&G and what we saw with AOS, P&G, all these ones that ran to the moon already. I don't know where you guys bought in at, but you know, these things have already made people 70, 80 X's. And that gives me the question is, I know we're in a bull market, but are they early toppers? Are they going to continue to run? Can they actually do another 70, 80 X? Yeah, what's the deal with this chill guy? Someone came on the stream yesterday, or I think it was yesterday, asking for it. Now there's a base chill guy. Saw people on Twitter talking about it. I was going over to Skid, but it was the peanut thing. Now it's chill guy. They're just spawning out of everywhere. But it's so hard to tell which one to get in on. Which I won't, because I've already learned my lesson a dozen times. But yeah, Skid's another one we like, or I like at least. Skid on Solana. Yeah, she's getting stuck right at the 236, but officially it looks like you're breaking out of the downtrend. You did it back here too, but I would like to see the price of this get over 2.9 and then 4.4 to confirm all that. But yeah, Skid's another good play that's probably going to leave me behind. Because you can see this one here from where it is right now, new high, good 21x. Not as good as some we looked at. The bonk on base. Almost in the same position here. It's over the 236. This one to a new high is a 57x. Well, now it's a 48x. But so many good plays. Blue Foster's going to be a monster. Whatever happened to Bork? Bork. It's still doing nothing. And we have the old fib on this one. Let me take that away. There we go. Bork, if it ever wakes up, 20x, 22x. So let's see. 25x. Another Solana play there. If Avalanche is going to pump on PNG. Yeah, that's what I've always heard. If Avalanche pumps, then PNG is going to go to the moon. What's up, Roberto? How's it going? It's the brown chill guy. I still don't know who that is. I'm too old for that. Is it just me, or is Net look ready to... IONet. What is IONet? You mean IODEX? I don't know what you're talking about. IONet. Never heard of that. Any more meme coins since we're over here? Is that on here or somewhere else? I never know. But since we're here, we'll look. Yeah, figured it wasn't. Come up with some crazy stuff though. What the hell is this? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, XRP, USDC, Dogecoin, crypto. Excuse me. 100K market cap. What the hell kind of stuff these people come up with? Just gamble on anything, huh? Yeah. It's holding over the 236. Got stuck at the 382. Just looking at it just because I saw it. Oh, not bad. This one comes up and does a 786 retracement. Not even a new high. Is a 15x. No idea what this is. Maybe someone can go look into it. 200x almost to a new high. Crypto. This thing came out over a year ago. And it's been doing nothing. I don't know. Ticker symbol IO. Okay. IO on Solana. Does this sit here? 5-month-old one. Oh yeah, that thing looks ready to go. But yeah, is this the one you're talking about? While I wait to answer. Okay, that's the one. We got Roberto for 5. I appreciate that. Thanks for the awesome TA. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate that. Appreciate the words and the 5. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. You guys supporting. We got Sullen for 2. I can't read that. It went away. 279. I appreciate that. PNG and spell token, please. All right, yeah, we'll get to that. Let's finish IO real quick. But yeah, IO, it just made a higher high. It looks extremely bullish on that candle. So when we go over these coins here on Solana, Ethereum, Base, you guys that have money, if you're paying attention, you know you plant a lot of good seeds out there. Not financial advice, of course. Oh yeah, this one just poked its head above the 236 at, what the hell? Oh, my eyes went blurry. I thought that was 2,000. 254. You're at 262. Once you get over 330, this thing's bullish. And IO here, new high on this one, a 3x. And it may go way higher than that, but we'll leave this here so you can get a 3x over the coming days, overnight. All right, we got to go look at PNG and Spell. I appreciate the $3 there, and Roberto, I appreciate the 5. All right, PNG and Spell token. Yeah, I'd imagine, did PNG hold up? I didn't even look at it. We looked at it last night, and it was kind of dipping down. Oh yeah, it's in the same exact spot. It hasn't done anything. I don't know why we have a million arrows on the chart. Yeah, it's been holding this area for months. These are weekly candles. As long as we're holding this 2272, it does not have to be perfect. We've gone down below it a couple times, but ultimately it's holding up here. This is another one. It came down after it ran up forever, and it's just been sleeping. Just like the one we looked at earlier. It is going to wake up at some point. It's going to get over 30. That's the top here. Once it breaks out, it becomes part of the undead coins, and it'll start running. But we know PNG, when it runs hard. But yeah, PNG, as long as you're over this area here, 30 is your price to beat. If the measured move plays out, that potentially takes you up to 220. Just like last time, we had about a 10x move out of this pattern here. But yeah, PNG is going to have another run at some point. The question is how high after it ran so much already. Can it actually hit $1 billion market cap and do another 22, 23x all the way up here to $5 almost? It has all the coins out in circulation, and that's very bullish, so we'll see what happens. And it runs real hard. And then what'd you say, Spell? Spell. Oh, there's Pitbull. Spell was another one I liked. It was just down here sleeping in the dirt, doing nothing. This is exactly what we're looking at and talking about. Once it wakes up, it starts moving. Spell looks good here. I really wanted to buy in on Spell, but it's starting to kind of wake up and leave here. It's still down below the 236. It broke the trend, holding it as support perfectly here. So that's good to see. So the next stop up is 9.6 here. Once you get over 9.6, the macro bottom is in. And then once you get over 1.8, you are bullish on the overall macro chart for Spell. But one of the reasons I like Spell is just kind of like GST, XCN, very good potential, is a good moonshot. You can see if it only comes up to the 382, and you're pretty much guaranteeing yourself a 2.5x. Put 10 grand on here, double your money easily. If it only does a 0.5 retracement to 003, that is a 4x. If you come up to the 618 in a bull market, 005, that is a 6.5, almost a 7x. And then if it's going to hit a penny, $1.5 billion market cap on Spell, 14x. And then your moonshot is the 14 billion market cap, 9.5, 10 pennies, and that's where you get 120x. But yeah, another good one with a lot of profit taking areas to watch as we're running to the moon. But yeah, Spell hasn't really woken up yet. It did, but it's doing nothing overall. If you just zoom out like here on the weekly, it's just, like you said, it's just ranging. It's doing nothing. What's up, Het? I didn't see you come in here. OG Jerry, Litecoin to the moon. How's it going? Nash and John. Got some people coming in now, huh? Honey, ginger, and lemon, and red wine for your cough. Yeah, it's been lingering around for weeks now. I don't know. Is it? Is Spell part of the Luna ecosystem? XRP and XLM are taking off right now, are they? Solon for $6.99 Canadian, I believe that is. I appreciate that. Holding 1 million GST. What's your price for Spell? And BitDAO holding 30 million Spell token. 40k PNG ready to pump. Yeah, that's you have 1 million GST. And what's your price for Spell and BitDAO? I don't know about BitDAO, but just as we went over on Spell, I imagine you saw that after you sent the super chat. I appreciate that. But there's so many targets on Spell. I think Spell's going to hit a penny. So good targets to take profit, and then a penny, I would be out at a penny. Damn it, y'all are making me cough more. It's pretty much a 14x from where it is today. And same thing, we just went over GST also. I don't know if you missed it or not. The GST has a lot of good targets. GST has really good targets. If it just does a 382 retracement, that's a 7.5x up to 12 pennies. If I had GST, that's probably where I would take most of my profit, because there's no guarantee it's going to go higher than that. But there is a lot of good targets here. I like it for the chart, but I don't know. I'm not confident on it moving up. It did here, so maybe we get another run. Maybe it hits a 0.5 or a 618, but still, that's a decent move. I don't remember the last time we looked at BitDAO. Who buys BitDAO? I don't even know what this is. Damn, this thing has wicks all over the place. When I see a chart like this, I don't really like it, but it's stuck right below the previous high after coming all the way up here. There's too many wicks all over this thing. I don't know what this is. It has a bullish macro curled up chart, higher highs and higher lows, so that's not bad. What is your target for BitDAO? Because I have no idea. 4K PNG ready to pump. Yeah, PNG is going to pump at some point. The question is, it's going to do a 10x or another 20x. It's been holding up for so long there. It looks good. But I appreciate the $6.99. Hopefully that helped. But BitDAO, I have no idea. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I do have it opened. Let me do this real quick before it takes too long. Since you did pay. Come on, computer. My computer's just acting slow. What does that mean? On July 17th, BitDAO will be converted to Mantle MNT tokens. So this one's not going to exist anymore come July? Is that what that means? There's no market cap. There's no circulating supply. Is this one still a token? Is it a dead token? I don't understand what's happening here. This was back in 2023. Yeah, there's no... I don't know what's happening here. Does anyone have information on BitDAO? They have almost 5 million followers. Bybit, BitDAO, is that the same thing? I don't understand. It takes me to the Bybit Twitter. Yeah, someone's going to have to confirm. I'm not going to look into that. All right, so BitDAO is apparently a dead coin. I don't understand. We got Raul for 2. I appreciate that. INV. Nash and John. Yeah, I saw you said Ganan, whatever, however you say that. If you get in the cat, do a 2x, I'll send you a super chat. I appreciate that. All right, we'll do INV and then we'll go look at Gena. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with this one here. BitDAO. But apparently they don't have their own Twitter anymore. All right, INV. Was that Inverse? Inverse Finance. Excuse me. Yeah, INV. Let's see. Do we have market caps on this one? No. Come on now. All right, give me just a moment. But I appreciate the 2. All right, INV is sitting in a 17 million market cap. Not bad. Almost all the coins, if not all, are in circulation, so that is very bullish to see. They only have 582,000 coins. Is that correct? Oh wow, this thing's at $30. So a 786 retracement in a bull market is going to give you almost a 13x to $400 here from a $17 million market cap. And their circulating supply $232 million market cap. Where am I? All right, so this thing to come up here from where it is right now, all the coins in circulation, I would say is not impossible at all. So $400 786 retracements, probably possible. If people are going to buy this thing, you can see down here it was doing the same thing that we looked at, where it's just kind of dead, laying flat, and it woke up. So I don't know why we have all these lines on the chart. Let's see here. But yeah, I'll do the high moonshot price in a minute. I don't know what your target is on this one. I don't know why that red line's there, so we're just gonna get rid of that. It needs to get over 36 to be bullish. The bottom is confirmed in here. I'm gonna get rid of that. And then, of course, once you get over the 236, the bottom is confirmed in, and you're over the 618, and you can move up. Over 86, you're bullish. We already went over that target. All right, so inverse finance to a new high. Yeah, moonshot gamble. Not even going to put the, well, I guess I will. $2,500 for a 82x on inverse finance. So if we look up at the end of next year, beginning of 2026, and the headline is inverse finance, one of the major winners for the 2025 bull run, did an 82x, went over $2,000. Can you see that happening? But yeah, I appreciate the two. Not too many tabs open again. Let's see here. Everyone hit the like button. I don't know how many people we got in here. Oh, we only got 40 people in here again. One of these days we'll get over 50 and get to 100. Well, we had 80 the other day, 70, 80. We almost got to 100. I thought with Bitcoin pushing up, we'd have more people in here. But I guess no one's making money if you don't own Bitcoin, so no one's bullish. We're all still poor. But yeah, that's an odd number of coins in circulation. All right, so if it made it all the way up to there, that would give it a 1.4 billion market cap. At some point in the future, I guess, if it's going to stick around. It's down here. Excuse me, it's down here at the bottom doing nothing on the overall macro chart. So but yeah, I appreciate the two there. That's a Caribbean recipe. Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna go look at Canaan. Alex says, yeah, Bitcoin is being greedy. Yes, it is. Greedy, greedy, greedy. What are we at now? I guess I can answer my own question. Still at 98. You think tomorrow we're going to push up to 100K? It'll probably happen. Or it'll happen tonight while I'm sleeping. 100K BTC. It'll be going up more. Everyone will be wanting to get online, and I'll be sleeping. Yeah, the Bitcoin dominance is still at 60. It may go up more. But like I've been saying, the higher it goes up, the harder it's going to fall. And from my understanding, that would be a larger bull run. Yeah, we looked at Moonwell earlier. Moonwell, didn't we look at Moonwell? Yeah, Moonwell got bought back up. It's holding up. Surprisingly holding that level. That 63.5 to 64 level that we've been going over forever. But yeah, I'm going to go look at that cat coin. But yeah, it's looking good here. Just needs to hold. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, IO. Didn't we look at this cat one? Maybe not. I don't remember that picture. This one here, if you're still around. I guess. Oh yeah, this must be it because we already have a chart. So we did look at it. Not bad. Looks like it came down perfectly and back tested the previous downtrend support. And then it looks like that wick back test back over the 382 at 3.1. Yeah, this thing's in a good spot here. It should be ready to go up now. So let's move this over here and do our little magic. It did all it needed to do. Had the pullback, it back tested, it's back over the 382. Now it just needs to spawn in some candles for you and do a 7.5x to the new high at 2.3. But yeah, this is what I should have waited for on Sol Ordi, which I kind of did, but it didn't have a good one like this. The breakout, the pullback, the back test, and then that was the time to get in or here. You know what I mean? Not financial advice. There, we'll leave it here. So when we look at it next time, a 2.5x is in play here for you. What's up, T13? ALPH price prediction. Oh, Lord. Yeah, someone said, yeah, we looked at XLM and XRP. They're both still looking extremely bullish. At least XLM was looking, yeah, XLM looks good here. She's still pushing, going completely vertical. Yeah, XRP looks extremely good too. But ALPH price prediction, no, she's pumping. She held the 382 low to the high off of the double bottom, and it held and it's moving. So it needs to get over 172 and then up to $2, and you're in good shape here. Clearly, there is a downtrend still in play. But it's right at it right now, so pretty much confirming it over 172 here, but there's probably another price. Oh yeah, the 382 here. What is that, 163? Yeah, 163 and then 172 potentially tells you you're over it and you're good to go. But yeah, right now, if it can push through 163 or at 155, then it may signal that it's about to break out to the upside here. But price prediction on this one, yeah, we don't have market caps on this one either. About a 6x to 930. I don't know what your price target is. Which coins are you planning on buying? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? There's a whole list of coins I'm going to buy. I got to get the money first. Gamble plays first. I'm just going to have to plant $100 seeds, as I keep saying, and hopefully all the coins over there that we're looking at, Solana coins, whatever it's going to be, I just need something to move, do a 3 or 4, 5x, roll that money over into another one, get a 3 or 4, 5x again, build my money back up, and then I'll get into these bigger coins like Xian, Spell, Jasmine, if they wait for me. Bonk didn't wait for me. Is Bonk still moving? You sold your ALGO for PRLC now. I don't know if it was a good move. Yeah, I really wanted to buy ALGO. ALGO has all the coins in circulation. I think ALGO's going to finally run real good this year. ALGO's another one I wanted to buy into, which the chart's not on this list, it's on the other. You say Alien Base is running? Yeah, we were looking at Alien Base. It looks bullish. Did it finally move? Yeah. Damn it. It's so hard calling these things and looking at these things all the time, and then like on DGen this last week, and then whatever else it's been. Bonk now. Alien Base here. We've been watching it in this pattern here, calling it bullish. It's about to take off again, and here it goes. Yep. Alien Base looks extremely bullish. Damn. Choking up over it. Next resistance is 73 for another 64% move. But yeah, she's running again. Alien Base to the moon. That Pulse play, can you check out SBR, Strategic Bitcoin Reserve? Is that a ticker for it? Why PNG don't do shit? I think we're PNG's just it's just not the thing right now. No one's talking about it. I know some YouTubers hyped it up for a while. It already had huge pumps, but like Alien Base here, Alien Base is new. It's on base, and it's just always bullish. From the large pattern to the tiny pattern. These tiny patterns are always extremely bullish. Little tight patterns, and then it just pops off. But yeah, PNG, we saw AI's pump. You're probably going to see, because I see a lot of people griping about PNG. They've been holding it forever, and it's doing nothing. When it pumps, when it takes off again and has a decent candle spawn in, get ready for a lot of people to sell, probably. I don't know if I would buy into PNG. I'm not trying to say anything about it, but I just don't know if I would buy it. It's in the if zone right now. Alright, he says SB something. SBR is the ticker. Yeah, I'm going to type that in, and then I'm going to mute this for a moment. I have to text my kids. They're home from school, and I got to touch base with them. SBR, Euro, US dollar. Alright, they got a Gate.io chart. Gate.io for the win once again. Oh, damn. Just getting it drawn real quick, and then I'll I'll step away for 5 minutes. And didn't perfectly hit the 786, but it's over the 618 here. This the wrong one? How is this the wrong one? Oh, that's a Saber. Damn it. Well, we started building a Saber chart. That's good for when someone asks for Saber. So it's not on Dex or this. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay. Alright, we're on Dex Creator. I think I found it. What is it on? Solana? Or Ethereum? Just answer that and I'll be right back. I'm gonna... Let's see here. Yeah, you guys can see Dex Screener. Yeah, just tell me if it's Ethereum or Solana here. But I'm going to mute you guys for a minute, chat amongst yourself. All right, Ethereum. And I'll be back in a couple of minutes. So yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, I may have to look at this one without a log screen. This one's just going to the moon. All right, we'll leave it like this since I can't see anything on the other chart. All right, yeah. All right, I'll be back in about 2 minutes, everyone. There's 39 people in here. Try not to leave. We'll see how many people leave. But yeah, hit the like button and just chill out for a moment. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? What were we looking at? All right, so SBR here. Yeah, it's coming down after it pumped a little bit. 236 at 213 after support to hold. It's very strong support, so it should hold and bounce back up. But a new high on this one. Do your own research, of course. Where's the new high? Not too bad. 2x. We'll leave this here to spawn in a 2x candle for you. 47 million market cap, almost 7,000 holders. Yeah, would like to see this thing come up and make a higher high again, because it made a lower high and a lower low. The background music's perfect for a snooze. I can switch it. We can always switch up the music. Let's see here. EOS. I forgot about EOS. Manny, how's it going? What's XEN price prediction? XEN to the moon. Tiger, Jasmine's about to wake up. PNG, too many people trapped in the last 10x run box. Rami, how's it going? He says Velo. Rami. Econ, how's it going? $4.99. I appreciate that. Would you send a little emoji? I can't see it because I'm not on YouTube. It's StreamYard. I appreciate the super chat. I appreciate that a lot, my man. Alicia, how's it going? Can you check out Fred and Shrub? Are those on Solana? You don't think Aleph can hit the 1618 to $20? Yeah, let me know what those are on. I appreciate the super chat from Econ. Okay, just a little smiley face. Oh, I was thinking you were a member and you could put the little emojis that we have. Lucas, this sec guy just launched. Be careful. I can't trust things that just launched. Let's see here. Yeah, I have to look at it again because I don't remember. We look at too much. Oh, it could. I don't know the market cap or anything on this one. I haven't built a chart yet. $20 for a 13x almost. I'm looking it up right now. It's sitting at 140 million market cap, so that's not bad. Almost half the coins are in circulation. Can it hit $20? Give me just a moment. Let me write this down. Damn, what'd I say? 1.8. Yeah, it could. If I get the right tool out here. 100 million market cap over and a 1.8 billion market cap. It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, Joseph, how's it going for 2? Brian on base. Okay. I see what you said, Alicia. Brian on base. I appreciate the 2 for that. Yeah, there's some kind of Brian coin we've been watching or looking at. This one? Damn, is this it? This thing's been going sideways since it came out. It's probably gonna run. 400K market cap. Holy crap. It has 998,000 holders. Man, this thing has a lot of holders. 72,000 liquidity. Yeah, this thing looks like it hasn't had that initial run. Low to the high, it's over the 382, so in that respect, you're bullish over 3.9. I'm gonna get this one off. Maybe this is gonna be a top runner. Damn it, wrong thing. This thing's gonna run to the top of the fib. High to the low. It's just below the 0.5, but above the 382. And it's just going sideways. So the really only we can do with this is multiplier. See what kind of damage this thing can do. This thing's gonna hulk up and go to the moon. Yeah, new high on this one is probably very doable. A 3x. 2272 at 005 is almost a 12x. We'll see where this one goes. If this one comes all the way to the top, geez, 153x to 7 pennies. But first, we'll take baby steps. We'll leave this here so it can spawn in a 3x candle for you. It's new and it hasn't done anything, so that's always good. The fact that it go up a lot and then just rug pull. The X account is active. That's always good. I can't believe they have so many holders. That's very good. I wouldn't put a whole bunch in here. Could be a very good play. Yeah, you guys keep bringing up these points. There's so many good plays. Roberto says FOMO. Is that one of the stickers? I just see FOMO and a little dot. All right, Fred and Shrub. Fred is on Solana and Shrub is on ETH. Wait, what did I say? Did I say Fred is on Shrub? Fred is on Solana. I think we looked at this one. Is this the right one? I don't know which one it is because there's a lot of them. Fred. I think they're all the same thing though. The first convicted raccoon. Yeah, I just could have swore we looked at this one, so I thought I had a chart on it. Alright, I'll go try to find Shrub. I don't know which Fred it is. It's probably the first one we looked at. Shrub. This one? Alright, so that was the right one we had it on. The first one or the second, Fred? Alright, so that's the right Shrub. Yeah, we'll go back to Fred in a moment. But yeah, Shrub here. We're going to have to go down to the 4-hour candles, I guess. Another one that's just straight bullish here. Alright, let me draw this and then we'll switch it, maybe. High to the low on Shrub here. It's not quite over the downtrend or the 236. Let's see here. There we go. That's what we like to see. Alright, so it's right at the 236 at 7.9, so it might hold. It looks like it holds. Bullish over 9.9. And then Shrub here. What kind of damage can Shrub do? Shrub to a new high as a 5x up to 40 cents. Alright, so Shrub, not a bad one. Potential 5x in play there. Back over to Fred. And we're going to have to go to 4 hours on this one too. Trying to get this to move right. Alright, so Fred here. I'm trying to get the best chart I can get on it. It's already had a decent run here, but if we do this one on non-log, we may get a better look. You can clearly see the downtrends in play here, and you can clearly see triple bottom. It potentially just put the bottom in. Yeah, it looks like the bottom is in on this one, triple bottom. So if it's going to hold here over 7.4, it is at 7.7. If you ever wanted to buy the bottom on something, this could be it. New high on this one's a 5x also. Not a bad one. Good gamble there. Did I miss anything? Harmony says, what do you think of Augie? What is Augie on? You guys got to tell me what it's on. The first step is knowing if it's on Base, Ethereum, Solana. But yeah, there's so many good plays. If you want a 5x or a 100x or a 20x, there's just so many plays out there. But yeah, that one looks good. It just triple bottomed. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets a nice candle spawning in here. Augie. I can type that in, see if something pops up. Yeah, see, there's a Base, Ethereum, and Solana Augie. Yeah, no problem. I appreciate you guys coming in here asking for stuff. We're building charts and building things up. And make sure I covered all the super chats. Oh, no, it's time to end the stream. I always said every time we get 10 super chats, it's over. Hell, we'll go for 20. Yeah, I don't know which Augie it is. Augie, what's up, Wax? How's it going? ALB. Yeah, ALB's a sad one. 4K Traveler Tours, how's it going? Do dog to the moon, please. What is dog to the moon? Is that a gamble play? Is that the ticker? Dog to the moon? Augie was a bust. No, I'm not leaving yet. I was just saying. Dog to the moon. This one? Dog launched live now. What the hell? This thing's going to the moon, ain't it? Oh, it's damn. What the hell? If this is it, dog on Solana, a $9,000 or 9K market cap, 1,000 holders, $13,000 of lock liquidity. You may be onto something here. Not this one. Oh, no. The orange one. Alright, well, I'm going to look at this one first. Whatever this is, it's curling up. It looks like it's about to just blast off. Came out and went to 0. It held. It's curling up here. This is on log scale too. So if this is going to do something, 12.5 and then 2.5. But I don't know what this is, but holy crap. New high on this one's 230x almost. Dog to the moon, yep. That looks familiar. Oh, this one already went to the moon. This one went to the moon, and the other one's already about to launch to the moon. Damn, it looks like the same thing. It came out and went to zero, curled up, and they just went. So this could be telling us what that other one's about to do. This one already left. 100K market cap. This token is mintable. Oh no, it's a rug pull. 168 holders. Damn, that's not very many holders at all. It doesn't have locked liquidity. Yeah, I'd be careful with this one. What are we on? We're on the daily time frame. It did curl up after it went to zero, so if you made money on this one, then I don't know if I'd keep holding it. But yeah, it already has red flags. So what I'm going to do here on this one is I'm going to punch this one into the rug checker. It's probably not good news, but it could be not good news, but still go to the moon, which it's already doing. But yeah, I just typed this one in. It says danger, danger, danger. Mint authority still enabled. Large amount of LP unlocked. Low amount of LP providers. There's no LP locked. There's mint authority. 56% of are the top holders. That's a lot. There's a lot of whales holding this one. Augie. All right, Augie on Ethereum. Nah, you're good. We're just waiting around. We're just chilling here. AI Veneer. How's it going? Bitcoin bulls attack. I don't know what that means. But yeah, Wax, we were looking at ALB. We were calling it bullish in the pattern, and it was about to go, and it's going. ALB to the moon. How are you buying your meme coins? Do you use Xverse? If not, what's better than Xverse? I've never heard of Xverse. I buy mine with Solana. I do Solana meme coins through Phantom Wallet through Jupiter. Phantom Wallet. When I did have money, I'd send my Solana over to Phantom and just buy whatever I can buy. But yeah, we used to have people come in here, and one girl, Elizabeth, she sent me 2 Solana at one point. I don't know if you guys were here for that. To my Solana wallet in the description, and I gambled it away. That's probably why she never comes back. Yeah. Manny says XCN price prediction. But yeah, but Solana's so cheap, it's so easy to buy on. There's no fees at all, really. You just put Solana on your Phantom wallet and just buy away. Only money you lose is the money you gamble with. David Betts, he says, sup, have a good night. How's it going? Have a good night. Are you out of here? Alright, we're going to go look at Augie, and then I'll go over to the other one. But yeah, that one there looks horrible. I mean, it pumped, so... Or hopefully they're letting you sell. Yeah, I'll go look at XCN. I always look at XCN. We're very bullish on XCN. But yeah, I never used to know how to use the Phantom wallet. I didn't know anything about Phantom, but I just loaded the wallet. You load your Solana on there, and then super easy. Just make sure you send it to the right Solana address on your wallet, and you're good to go. Makes it very easy to gamble. The first one, you typed it in. 700K market cap. All right. All right, this one right here. Augie, little frog here. Oh man, the bottom could be in. That was a large sell-off and a large buyback. So what am I doing? That could very well have been the bottom. It looks to be trying to hold up here. But as we know, gamble plays. Let's see here. High to the low. Once you get back over 8.0, you are bullish. If we don't use the scam wick, you need to get over 9.9 and then 13. But we're just going to use the scam wick because everything's a scam. But yeah, off of that large wick, it doesn't look too bad. Not too bad for a gamble. New high on this one, decent. Almost a 16x. That's not bad at all. Yeah, 16x on this one. Not bad. Uh, 4K Tribe, I just subscribed, mates. I appreciate that. Appreciate you coming in here. We're here every day. Yeah, I'm going to get to XE in just a moment when we get back over there. We're gambling right now. Used ETH once and lost 500 to do one transaction. Yeah. Too poor for Ethereum. I have to use Solana. I haven't had success yet. You guys that have been here for a while know that. I had money on Soul Ordy and then Toad and then I don't remember what else. But yeah, people in the chat sent me some Solana so I can gamble and try to make some money. It all went to zero. What can you do? But now we're looking at so many good plays on Solana, Ethereum, Base, a couple of SUI plays. Just gonna start putting 50 to $100 on a bunch of different plays and see what happens. And all you need is a couple of them to move. Like this one here, we're looking at Augie. You know, 50 bucks on this one. It does a 15x. Then roll that over into something else that hasn't moved, and then you'll make enough money to buy Coinbase and Robinhood coins. And then you made it. He says, what do you not consider a scam? Everything's a scam, my man. It just seems like when you go out into the world, whatever you do, phone calls, emails, people on the streets, crypto, people wanting you to buy something, it's all a scam. All they want is your money. They don't care about you. They just want your money. Even when you have kids and stuff in life, it's just like you'll get things in the mail or email and it'll say something and about school stuff for your child. And I remember when my girl was my high school girl was a little baby. I got this thing in the mail saying it was a whole deal. It was a whole little booklet saying that her picture was chosen for a book to be put in this book about Texas kids or something like that. I don't remember. That's so long ago. But everything's a scam. I found out years later because they wanted you to buy the book. It was like a $50, $60 book. And it was a big old scam. There was no book. And now we are here in the days of crypto. And cryptos are just coming left and right. What do you think of Smashy? I never heard of that one. David says, are you aware of Solana AI TAI? What is that? I have no idea what that is. Solana AI. Yeah, I guess we'll go over and look at XCN and EOS real quick. Marcelo Cantu says, can you check out Smashy? What is Smashy? I guess since I'm here, look at Smashy on Solana. Never heard of that one. Could be another good play. Oh no, the stream's down. Are we still here? My computer just told me, damn, I talked about scams too much. Smashy. This one here? I don't know if I can do anything with this one. 1 million market cap, 218, 500 holders. No wicks on the top there. Very limited what I can do with this one. As long as you're over 7.7, you're bullish. Down to 6.4, you're bullish. Other than that, I can't do anything with it. You guys got to find stuff that has history. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we're down because my music stopped. Maybe we're still here. I don't know. We put Sophia to sleep. She's snoring away. All right, thanks for that, Alicia. You can hear me. You're still live. I think Marcelo. Smashy on Solana. What do you think of the narrative? No opinion on the narrative. It's a Solana coin. It went to the moon. And like I said, I really can't do anything with it. It just doesn't have a very good chart at all. It's in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing happening. 4-hour chart. I mean, it could be something. It just came out. I don't know what this is. What is Smashy? It's pumping right now. But it looks like a sick cookie. I don't know what this is. I'm out of the loop with this stuff. They came in here last night telling me about That guy, what's that guy's name? The guy coin. I have no idea what that was. But what I can do is I'm going to type this one into the rug checker. No. What does that mean? Smashing on Solana broke rug checker. Oh, not bad. Not a lot of top holders. Risk analysis is good. LP locked 100%. I don't know about narrative, but it doesn't look bad on there. But other than that, I can't do anything with the chart here. There's nothing to see here. That first target to be stay bullish is all I really got. It's either going to go to the moon or it's not. All right, we need to go over and look at. Did I get any more? Okay, we covered the super chats. Someone's been asking for XCN forever. Miguel says, can you look at Opti or Optimus? It's Elon's AI. What does that mean? AI bots? Is that a meme coin? Wish you the best of luck on your channel. I appreciate that, David. Yeah, we got a lot of new people coming in here. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Let's see where we're at. 24 people on YouTube. We're streaming on X and Rumble, by the way. And if you have not liked or subscribed, please do so I don't have to put you in timeout. We're all things crypto related, and we don't take anything serious here. What's your favorite low cap meme coin right now? Now, I don't have a favorite. We look at a lot here. There's a lot of good plays. Which, when we go back on Deck Screener, if you stay around, I'll go through the little list we have. Jiggy says, did I enter the bot lobby? I don't know what that means. All right, we're going to go look at XCN and EOS. XCN. I like XCN. I want to get it on XCN at some point before it runs, but it again is another one. I know someone asked for this ages ago, but hopefully you're still here. But XCN's still sleeping in the dirt here. Hold on, my phone's ringing. But yeah, XCN's a good one. It has not moved. Hopefully it does so until I can get in, so it needs to stay here dead for another couple of months. And then once it finally awakens to become part of the undead, it's going to run. But right now, it is over the 236. Bottom is in over 14. Bullish over 17.9. But right now, it's doing nothing. This is exactly what I want to see on this thing. We saw Spell and so many others from this point wake up, and now they're starting to move. But yeah, bullish over 2.6 here on XCN. But the reason I like XCN is because it's like GST and Spell. Good targets here, good potential. XCN 382 retracement to 5.9 is a 3.5, close to a 4x. If it only does a 0.5 retracement to 1 penny, so 1 penny is a good target. 7.5x, and then we have 2 pennies, 618 retracement in the bull markets, a 14.5x, and then 5.5 pennies here on XCN for a 1.7 billion market cap and a decent 37x here. But yeah, the price is doing nothing on XCN here. At some point, it'll wake up. And this is the one. It has a good moonshot gamble play. If you think it's going to hit a new high, which it is a very gamble play, that's a 560x to a $27 billion market cap. Maybe it hits that at some point in the future, but this cycle, I don't think that's going to happen. There's no way we're going to wake up in 2026 and one of the news articles is XCN was one of the best performers in the bull market for 2025. It did a 500x. Yeah, XLM is looking very bullish right now. Alt season's not going to happen until the Bitcoin dominance comes down. The money is flowing into Bitcoin right now. It's trying to break 100K. The dominance is up. No one cares about anything in the real world except Bitcoin. We're going to hit 100K soon. I'm hoping it doesn't happen until next spring. Early spring, late winter, whatever. But Bitcoin dominance is still above 60, as you can see here. It's probably going to end up going higher. I don't know. But it is hitting the top of this. But if it goes higher, so be it. The higher it goes, the more bullish we're going to be. So maybe we come up here and hit 62, 63, I don't know. But the more it goes up, the harder it's going to fall. And then alt season is going to take off. But I don't think anyone can answer that. The only thing you can watch is the Bitcoin price and the dominance there. Can I look at agent layer? What is agent layer on? It reached 72% before alt season. Yeah, I see people saying it's probably going to hit 70%. But so be it. The higher it goes, the harder it's going to fall. And the more money we're all going to make. Agent layer on base. I think we've looked at that one. I'm not sure, but I appreciate the question or the being here, Manu. Hopefully I said that right. What are we looking at now? XCN. Someone said EOS a while back. I don't think we have a chart for EOS. Haven't looked at that in a while. Yeah. Been a while. What was the other EOS one? Wasn't there another EOS? I don't remember, but that comes to mind. Another EOS coin. Yeah, this one's way down here. Same thing. This little bed formation where it's just been dead. It finally pumped. It's way down here. Until you get over $1, the bottom is not in. But yeah, I'm going to have to build a chart on this one. High to the low. Pretty much the same thing, so we can't do anything with that. Does anyone even know about EOS anymore? Short term, high, low, you're bullish over 63. But yeah, until you get over $1, you need to confirm the bottom here. Let's see here. 786 retracement to 970s of 14.5x. Like I said, I'll have to build a chart on this one, get some market caps up on the screen, but this is one I forgot about because no one ever asked about it. 100x to $69, new high at the 1272. I don't know what the price target is people are talking about, but we'd have to get the chart built up. I haven't even looked. Oh, we're over 2 hours on the stream already. All right, we'll go look at agent layer. How long have you been in crypto for, bro? I was here last cycle, but I was new last cycle. I bought into the community and the narrative of Cardano and Shiba. Always watching the Shiba videos, looking at the audits coming out and Cardano smart contracts and the test nets and all that stuff. And we were going to the moon, hold and hodl your ADA, your Shiba. We're going to these certain prices, and I didn't own enough because I wasn't rich enough, and it never happened anyway, so it doesn't matter. I did make a decent amount on both, but that was back then. But at the beginning of this year, I was in a good spot. Had 5,000 on Elon and a couple thousand on some other coins. I can't remember the ones I owned. Put 1,500 on Arrow. It went to 0 and then I had to sell. But yeah, I'm all out of the market. I lost it all. She's all gone. Yeah, a lot of people lost money on Luna. Yeah, well looks good. We looked at well earlier a couple of times. Well's holding up. As long as you're over 63.5, 64, it's holding up and it looks good. Roberto says you're on a grind. Yeah, I'm just grinding away nowadays. Nothing else I can do. That's the only thing I can control right now is the work I put in. Yeah, you lost 80% of your network. Your net worth, you mean? Yeah. Yeah, but we learned. I learned a lot over the last 4 or 5 years now. That's why I need to get back into the market. If I get back into the market, I'm not going to screw it up again. But yeah, that time back in Cardano and Shiba and the communities and being bullish on a project and marrying the project, I will never do that again. It can have the best use case in the world and it doesn't mean anything to me anymore. But what were we going to look at? Agent layer. Agent layer on base. Agent layer. But yeah, I'm completely out of the market right now. I just tried to gamble with some Solana that someone gifted me here on the live streams, and I lost it. I chased green candles and stuff, and I should have known better, but I was desperate. I think I've looked at agent layer. Let's see here. Agent layer on base. But yeah, I appreciate all you new people coming in here. Alex has been here for a while. Roberto. But some of you I don't recognize, but I'm glad you guys are here. Agent layer. Is this the agent layer you're talking about? Oh yeah, we've looked at this. It went up, but then it came right back down. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, this thing's holding up over the previous high from back here, and it's been holding very strongly. And right now it's right above low to the high 236 at 33. Right on that level 336. So if it holds here, this thing's bullish. It's going completely sideways here. So as long as you stay over 2.8 and then at 3.3, next price to beat is, of course, it wicked above it a couple of times, but 7 million market cap, 40,000 holders. Yeah, this thing just needs to wake up. There's like nothing happening at all. But it is holding up pretty good. Yeah, I staked my Shiba too on Shiba Swap. But then all of a sudden I just realized that I need to pull that out from staking and I need to sell. I actually sold pretty much the top on Shiba, but I didn't have near enough because I was just accumulating, staking. I was holding for the future because I believed in the project, the community, and it was going to be the next big thing, and it's going to the moon forever. Yeah, I'm completely out of the market. I just saw that. I don't know if I replied to that or not. What do you do for a job? Long story on that one. Not going to get into that. I worked at a place for 21 plus years. They sold. No more job. Didn't have a job for about 5 months. That's the reason I had to sell my Arrow that I had invested. I got behind on bills and everything under the sun started to happen. Just life. You know how it is when life hits you just all at once. Everything happens. Bills and everything. You get a flat on your car. The car breaks down. Doctor bills. Just everything all at once. No, I could unstake instantly on Shiba Swap. If I remember correctly, it wasn't a locked up thing. You just had to stake it. Now, I remember locking up ETH. I locked up, I think, $1,000 of ETH on my... I can't remember what it was. I don't remember the amount, but I locked up ETH. You had to lock that stuff up for a long time waiting for ETH 2.0. And then when ETH 2.0 came out, they would unlock your coins. And that was locked on Coinbase forever, for years. And then as soon as they let me, I took that money out. No more will I ever stake again. Yeah, I want to get in on Dogelon. Damn, we're tied up 14-14 here in Twitter. There's no one here today. But I should have ended it a long time ago, as soon as I got 10 super chats. Yeah, that's true. You stake there in a bull market, you cannot sell. You can unstake your coins in the bear market and sell for 90% loss. All right, let me... What the hell was that? Let's wake some people up. I locked 10 ETH 2.0 on Coinbase, and I'm glad I did. I couldn't spend it. Oh, that's good. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. No, we got 16 people on YouTube now. I don't have a way to send you a super chat right now, brother, but I'll get you in the days, send you a big super chat. I appreciate the thought. You don't have to do that, but I appreciate the thought, my man. Yeah, I remember that also. Everyone was expecting Cardano to go crazy after the smart contracts. Yeah. Oh, we woke Slava up. Yeah, we're still here. Just hanging out, chatting. Sand who says Palm. What is Palm? Palm, is that a meme coin? Palm AI. I don't know what that's on. This here? That on the screen, the little colorful thing? Damn, can you guys hear me? The music sounds loud. XRP is moving. Yeah, XRP and XLM look extremely bullish right now. Big caps moving with Bitcoin is what's happening. Yeah, alright, that's the one. I met a guy who was broke and he made millions in Doge last cycle, built a big ass home. Damn. Yeah. I hope that is possible. Yeah, I have a friend who made over $1 million this last year, and he's gone now. It's like you don't hear from him anymore. But yeah, that's the way to do it. You gotta just be patient until your number is called. And it's hard sometimes because, like right now, I don't think my number's ever gonna get called, to be honest. But I'm here grinding away. This one doesn't have a bad chart. Palm AI. Damn, 1.3 million liquidity locked, 55 million market cap, 12,000 holders. She looks like she's about to go. Oh yeah, this one looks like Bonk Jr. Everyone pile in. She's about to go to the moon. Oh yeah, someone asked for turbo earlier. High low. It is just now poking its head over the 0.5 at 6.6. But the reason I said it looks like Bonk Jr. Look at this beautiful flat top. If you can see that there in the blue. And then the higher lows. Oh yeah, this thing's about to go. And it looks like it's starting right now. Not a bad one. New high on this one's a 5.5x. Which it may do. We'll leave this here. Spawn you in a giant green candle. 5.5x overnight. But yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. Oh yeah, I remember hearing that. Gary retired, or is retired in January. Yeah, with that happening and everything else happening, and the whole Doge, what is it? The whole Elon Doge alliance thing, whatever the hell that's called. Trump in office, Trump buying exchange apparently. We're gonna have a bullish year. Oh yeah. I just need to get back into the market so I can be bullish with you guys. Raul with a $5 super sticker. I appreciate that. Can't see the sticker, but I appreciate it. Roberto says, if not this cycle, the next one. It's got to be this cycle, man. I'm too old for this. I mean, if it doesn't happen this cycle, I will be here next cycle. I'll be here on YouTube, but I'll have to be here. Ooh. Yeah, keep grinding away. I appreciate that. Just got to keep putting in the work. This fool says, how old are you? How old are you? How old do I sound? I tell you guys I'm old. Gary's pissing you off? Yeah, they just don't want us to make money. Yeah, it's never too late to become a millionaire. Raul for 5 says, how about shipping? I appreciate that, brother. Shipping. Damn, I wish I was 35 years young. You guys are a little bit off. I always come on here. I tell you guys I'm old. I got kids, high school kids. Kids graduated already. Kids about to go off to college. But to be honest, I never thought I'd be at this point this age where I am today in my life. I'm at pretty much the bottom as I've ever been before. Yeah, we're gonna look at. Excuse me. We're gonna go look at shipping. Is shipping moving? I appreciate the 5. Damn, I'm not that old. All right, let me share the other screen. Let's see here. No, I don't care. I don't mind telling people how old I am. It doesn't matter. Age is just a number. Damn, I just started typing in my age. What the hell? I'm 44, going on 45. But yeah, I still remember when I was 20, 30. Yeah, shipping's not. It pumped. It woke up here and it pumped after a little dip, but it's really not doing anything. It got stuck right at the 382. You could say it got stuck at the trend here. Yeah. So once it gets over 009 here on shipping, then you're good to go. You're macro bullish and you broke above the trend line and you can start moving up here. Let's see what else you got stuck at. High to the low on shipping. Yeah, you got stuck right at the 0.5. 0.5382 and trend line. Bunch of resistance. That's the reason it got stuck. But it's doing like the rest. It had a nice little move and it's going to have a pullback now, which it already is off of that wick there. But at some point, once it gets over the 382, you'll be in good shape at that point. But shipping, 786 retracement in a bull market to 5 pennies is a 7.5x. Not bad. And then if you think it's going to hit near $1 billion market cap, that's your moonshot. 41, 900 million, 58x on shipping here. If I had shipping, I would probably get out at the 618, 786 here. 2 targets to take profit, 2 pennies and then 5 pennies. Yeah, I'd probably take profit here. But yeah, I remember when I was younger. Of course, everyone does. When you're younger, you're invincible. As you get older, the time starts flying. Oh, Slava says he's the same age. A lot of people don't get rich until their 50s and 60s. Well, that seems to be the case, I guess. If I have to wait till next cycle, then I'd be over 50. He says he's 25 and he feels old. But yeah, hopefully that helped with shipping. I appreciate the 5 there, Raul. And the $5 super sticker. I appreciate that a lot. And we still got 20 people in here. Alex is 30, he says. Commercial real estate for 8 years. It's a bit stressful on full commission. Yeah. Like I said, I was in a good spot, but then just life happens and you can't control it sometimes. Sometimes you can. Sometimes you make bad choices and things happen. You learn from your mistakes. But I'm at that age now, and the mistakes I've made, I think I've learned everything I need to learn now. It's up from here on out. Just getting this channel off the ground. We're well over 9,000 subscribers now, coming up on 10,000. Hopefully we'll hit 10,000 for the end of the year. But yeah, but it's still a learning process here on the charting. I learn something new all the time. Someone asked earlier about the fibs. I forgot who asked that. We'll have to do that next stream, I guess. Econ says, I learned a lot from you. I really appreciate your content. I appreciate the words. Yeah, I do my best. Yeah, that seems to what's been working. Just the short TA videos. Because you guys know I used to watch another channel. That's where I started out. From last cycle. And he used to do TA videos and do streams like this to where people would come in with the super chat. Excuse me. And ask about them, and everyone wants to know about their certain thing they're bullish on. And then it slowly got to where it wasn't about that anymore. It was about trying to find out where we were in the market. And I just thought to myself, you know what, I could do that on the side. I could learn to chart and cover this stuff, and because he wasn't doing it anymore, I'll pick up the slack. And that's where it started. Yes, sir. Only up from here. Yes. 100K subscribers by the end of the cycle. Damn, I couldn't yawn. I guess it's time to get off. Old man here is yawning his ass off. We done put people to sleep with the music earlier. Let me switch this music. But yeah, I agree. Most people, they're just pushing, like the people that have the faces on their channels, they have hundreds of thousands of people watching them every day, which, if I was smart, I'd probably do that to get more subscribers, put my face out there and the shocked faces and all that stuff. They seem to get way more subscribers and people following them. But I can't come on here and lie to people. Like, people come in here and they'll say XRP, $10, whatever, $20. I'm just like, nah, there's no way that's going to happen. Things like that. How can you have a conscience and come on here and tell people, just straight lie to them, read them the news about something, and this is bullish. XRP's the future. It's going to $20. ADA's the future. They're just out there making money. They're doing their thing. What can you do? They're doing their thing and they're making money. All right, we're down there at 3 hours. Bitcoin's not moving. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. We'll be back on tomorrow. What do you honestly think about some of the high cap alts? Yeah, I always say anywhere from 5 to 10x, and a lot of them line up to that from that perspective. Like, if we look over here on this list, some I'm more bullish on, but like Solana, like, you can be bullish on Solana all you want. if you think it's going to hit the target here, $700 Solana, 300 billion market cap. That's only 176% move from where you are now. Let's see, Cardano. Cardano, if it's going to hit and double what it did last time, it lines up also 7.5x to a 229 billion market cap. Litecoin. What is Litecoin going to do? So if Litecoin hits a 58 billion market cap, new high, then there's an 8.5x. So 5 to 10x is all these older ones, if they're going to even do that. There's some, like we said, Solana there, 2x's, 3x's. If they're heavy, they can't really move. That's why you got to be rich to buy into some of these bigger coins. Some channels provide no value. Channel is so underrated. I appreciate that. Yeah, I think I provide good information, I guess. Trying to get prepared for the bull market, and then we'll switch gears in the bear market, I guess. Try to prepare for the bull run. Oh, damn. Yeah, I'll probably wake up tomorrow and there's going to be 100K Bitcoin. And then every streamer out there is going to be streaming, and influencers. Oh, damn. Tomorrow, what time? I do not know. Probably be in the evening again. I don't know. I remember when I told my dad to buy Bitcoin at exactly 16K, he had 100K cash. He decided to buy 4 acres of land. Yeah, I remember when I had money in my pocket and Bitcoin was at 3K. It was hovering around that 3K mark. But I couldn't buy it. At the time, my wife wouldn't let me. You're not buying an imaginary coin for $3,000. And I was like, this thing's going to go to 100K plus someday. So if we invest now and just hold, just look at what this can do. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super chats, the words, everything. We'll get back on here tomorrow. Hopefully get 100 people in here at some point. No one's here today because Bitcoin sucks. It's sitting at 98K. No one's making money. But yeah, most of the people I talk to around me that don't really know crypto, they don't care about it. They think it's a scam. You can't make money on it. I'm like, well, I had a friend make $1 million. Yeah, right. He could have 650K in his account. Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna buy 1 Bitcoin, put it away with my Cardano in my cold storage wallet, which I did. I put Cardano away for years. I even forgot about it. And then when the bull market rolled around, I was like, you know what? I remember I owned some Cardano in here. And then I held it, got in the community, and was told all this and that. But I sold it. And if I would have put 1 Bitcoin in there, because back then I didn't know anything, so I just put stuff in my cold storage wallet and I forgot all about it. My business partner has about 4 million in crypto. Damn. Tell him to share the wealth. Made $1 million on Solana already. Jeez. Guess who told him about it? Oh. Yeah, there's money to be made in crypto, definitely. I'll be there someday, and I'll be happy. IP says any significant pullbacks expected. No idea. Once Bitcoin hits 100K, I guess, she'll finally cool off. The dominance will drop. Alts will go to the moon, and Bitcoin will drop back down to about 80K. But she's steady pushing here. Can't believe we're over 98K already. Yeah, that would be nice. He's worth a lot, so he can toss around. Yeah, it'd be nice if you had a lot of money in the crypto and you had room to play. I sold 10K ARC block at 13 before the big pump and never bought back. Game time, baby, says, thanks for the guidance. Caught very nice dips on your advice. There is no advice here. It's all magic and mirrors and smoke. We just look at numbers on a chart and candles on a chart, and that's it. But yeah, I think that's about it. I appreciate you guys coming in here. You must have came back because you missed XCN. We did XCN already. XCN, I'm bullish on it. I like the chart. But XCN before we ended here. But any of you guys are new here, like the video, subscribe, come back tomorrow. We're doing this every day, the grind until we're rich. XCN is down here doing nothing. It's still dead. It is not undead yet. Once it becomes undead, it'll go off to the races over 2.6 and then 5.9, and then it will make you rich. Very good multipliers on XCN. 382 retracement. Once you get over this price here and you break the trend and break the 382 at 5.9 here, that is a 3.5x. You're in good shape. 0.5 retracement in a bull market to 1 penny, 7x, 2 pennies, 14.5x, and then 5.5 pennies. Very decent, almost 37x on XCN here. Just to do simple retracement levels during a bull run. So a lot of good targets on this one. But yeah. But as for price prediction on XCN, I have no idea where it's going to end up. If it's going to hit a 1.7 billion market cap, 5.5 pennies, and that's that 36, 37x here. But the reason I like XCN, it's doing nothing. And just 382, like I just said, all these retracement levels, good round numbers, a penny, 2 pennies, very good multipliers here. So if you're looking for a good solid 7x, XCN's a good buy right now. It may still pull back down, but it's doing nothing. But you get the idea. Just for this thing to hit a penny, 0.5 retracement in a bull market. If it pulls back down to our support level that it's been holding for a very long time, that's a 9.5, almost a 10x on your investment here. But yeah. All right, we'll leave it at that. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. 3-hour stream, not bad. Once again, appreciate everyone coming in. Hit the like button on your way out. We'll be here again tomorrow. I'll put out some more updates tomorrow. I did a couple today. Same thing we do every day. We just grind away here, trying to make it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one tomorrow. Peace out, everyone. I'll end it in a few minutes.